Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary, motivational speaker, business coach, and life coach. Today, guys, I will talk about some big investment business ideas. First of all, I will talk about chemical unit. You know, the chemical industry. The chemical industry landscape has opened new doors of opportunities for chemical industry and chemical buyers and sellers. You know one thing, this business has a huge export potential and requires huge investment. If I talk about gold ornament shop, starting your own gold ornament shop business is a great way to tap into the jewelry industry. And one more thing, you should know a small jewelry store can be started for a little as $20,000. The cost may vary depending on your location. Now I will talk about printing press. You know, our society is so much influenced by the printing press. Nowadays, running a press is a successful business. You know one thing, we can print books, newspapers, invitation cards, magazines, posters, flyers, pamphlets, envelopes, business cards, and stationery items. You know, operating a printing business requires a few specialized pieces, a few specialized pieces of equipment, and can be operated as a home based, storefront, or online business. Now, I will talk about peer to peer lending business. P2P lending is a business where one lends money to individuals or small and moderate businesses through online services. You know one thing, to start a peer-to-peer lending businesses, you need to open an investor account for starting this business. Though profitable, this business involves great risk. If I talk about new business, that's it, internet service provider. You know, an internet service provider, ISP, is a company that provides customers with internet access. You know, one more thing, there is a huge demand for the internet. Thus, starting this business makes sense. Now, I will talk about computer classes. You know one thing, if you have the knowledge, if you have the knowledge of computers and can teach others the same, then you can start a computer class. All you need is a few computers and space where you can set up your business. Now, I will talk about hotel business. You know, one thing, hotel business requires huge investment and manpower. To start this business, you need to buy or rent an establishment that provides lodging and oftentimes meals and other services for travelers and other paying guests. Now, one more business is for you, that is oxygen gas bottle. Oxygen gas bottle. You know, to start this business, you need to invest in quality equipment, healthy supply of cylinders of liquid oxygen, compressed oxygen, and flow meters. You need to remember to maintain a safe, hygienic environment for your equipment at all times. You can earn cash to cover startup and operating expenses. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Be happy. Take care. Thank you.